ladies and gentlemen, although I haven't decided who just yet, we will be going back to the Amazon rainforest to do some survival with other streamers. This time, instead of one day, longer. This time, instead of one person, more. And this time, I think we add some extra challenges. I haven't decided who yet. I haven't made any calls yet. I want to leave the door open for now. But that was the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. And when I got done, I don't think I've ever felt more proud of being able to overcome a serious fear. We saw snakes, we saw caiman, we saw all types of howler monkeys. We saw everything. And I think that the challenge will be even crazier with more people. That means we need a bigger shelter, more days. That means we need more food. We can't just survive on river water. I think is going to be a spectacular stream, but that's going to be the next really, really big thing that we do. Our team is cracked. I don't know how else to say it. We could stream anywhere in the world. We stream in the fucking Arctic. We stream in the Amazon rainforest. If we could stream in the Atlas Mountains in Morocco, we could stream anywhere. So we're gonna go back